I'm Kelly Anthony. This is the Anthony Kitchen, and today we are whipping up the easiest caramel apple dip in the world. This dip takes less than 10 minutes to whip up, and it features a sweet cream cheese base speckled with chocolate chips and topped with chopped toffee and salted caramel. So the first thing I'm gonna do is show you how to whip up this seriously easy dip and then assemble it on a platter, perfect for a party. Just pop the cream cheese into the bowl. So I just mix this up at medium speed just to get that cream cheese a little loosened up before we add in the powdered sugar, a splash of vanilla extract. Where there's sugar, there should always be salt. So we'll just add a little pinch of fine sea salt and just mix again until it is smooth and blended. Now we're just gonna add in these miniature chocolate chips. If you wanted, you could add chopped pecans, chopped walnuts. You could even just sub in the rest of this Heath bar over here. But I love the textural difference between the smooth cream cheese base and these chocolate chips. The base is perfect. It's ready to go into the bowl. Once you've got everything in the bowl, just smooth over the top. And now we'll add the topping. The first thing that's going on is the salted caramel. Just take it and let it fall across the top. It's really gonna come together in a little pool anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. That's good for the caramel. Now let's get into that toffee bar. You just wanna give this bar a rough chop, okay? And then we'll just sprinkle it over the top of the caramel here. When I'm serving this dip to a crowd, I love using a mix of both red and green apples. So I'm just getting into the apples here. I'm gonna cut them into slices and then we'll pop them on a platter. Here I just have a big round platter. I'm going to take my little round serving dish and pop it right in the center. If you have a rectangular platter, what you'll do is just pop it over to one side or the other. And then I'm just gonna let these apples fall alongside it. We'll do a little cluster of green, followed by a cluster of red, and then I'm just gonna keep going. Looks like we need one more red. There you have it, all done with an apple to spare. Let's give it a try. The trick is you have to get to the bottom so that you can get that sweet cream cheese base with those chocolate chips and end with caramel and toffee on top. How could that be bad? You cannot go wrong with this caramel apple dip. It is one of my all-time favorites. I hope that y'all enjoy this recipe. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Anthony Kitchen, and to theanthonykitchen.com, where this recipe and so many other recipes perfect for entertaining live. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.